After some rest, today we're off to explore the heart of Kathiyawad country, life, food, culture, and few surprises all the way. There's a lot in store, so stay tuned. First stop of the day is Tulsi Tea Factory, one of Gujarat's biggest tea companies, known for producing chai leaves that go into millions of cups of tea every day across India. Thanks to some inside contacts, I'm going to explore this lovely factory. Sit down, sit. Okay, while we explore this giant, humongous factory, let's talk about some fun facts. Tulsi exports to 20 plus countries, and it's been around for 40 years of traditional tea making. And the guy who is showing me this warehouse, he's been with the company for almost that long. It's amazing. Sorry? Ooh. So basically the guy was trying to tell me that they have enough stock for almost 6 months. That's crazy.
यहाँ पे ऐसा स्ट्रक्चर बनाया तो कुछ दूसरी जगह पे शिफ्टिंग करना हो तो कुछ दिक्कत नहीं है ना
So they made custom crates so they can lift and unload stuff, and they made custom design metals, so everything is custom made to make everything easy for the production. Really impressive.
चालू कर दिया था 6-7 साल हो गए।
So 8 साल में कभी आप पहले आए, 1 साल में सब सेटअप हो गया?
नहीं 2 साल तक तो फैक्ट्री का काम चला।
नहीं स्टार्ट क्या थी हमारे सेटिंग क्या रहा
પછી અમરેલી થી અહીં અપ ડાઉન કરતા ને આ બધું કામ ચાલતું હતું
ત્યારે તો જી દર અઠવાડિયે આવતા હતા।
और ये इसका ऑफिशियल मार्केट में नहीं है अभी तक ये?
क्या ये मार्केट में चालू है ना?
ओ चालू है, और ये ओके। और ये गिफ्ट पैक?
नहीं गिफ्ट पैक नहीं है, ये इलायची का आता है, जैसे छोटी छोटी जार आती है प्लास्टिक की,
इतनी सैशेज आता है।
और ओके
250 ग्राम्स की इतनी आती है। 500 ग्राम
500 ग्राम है।
20
250 नहीं देना, 500 नहीं।
नहीं बे 500 छे बे।
वाह। और ये आपका प्रीमियम है वाला गोल्ड टी। तो ये मसाला चाय जो वाघ बकरी का सिमिलर है टेस्ट? गोल्ड और वाघ बकरी का?
गोल्ड और वाघ बकरी दोनों एक बार आप टेस्ट कर लेना।
ये मसाला टी नहीं है, सिंपल वाली है।
No, but he understood what I meant. Okay. Now we explored the storage, how they store everything, where they store it. Now let's look at the production cycle. They bag the tea gets associated by 5, and then it's wrapped, it's weighed, and then it's bagged, and finally it's boxed. And there is a special gift pack which you're going to see, because Indian customers always need something in return when they buy something. It's a classic Indian thing, so they have like a thank you for buying gift pack. So yeah, it's a beautiful chain cycle to see, and also very different from the one when I saw in Sri Lanka. So make sure you check out that if you've not checked that out. All the magic of tasting, there's a laboratory for that. Now it's time to try some Gujarati snacks. Are you guys excited? So he's gonna make a samosa, kachori, and a lot of different things. But this is a samosa chaat. With I've asked him for a mild one because I can't do hot. Yes, I can't do hot, guys. Okay, that samosa chaat was amazing. Now it's time to try some kachori, hot one from the gas, and some fafada. Man, I'm enjoying Gujarati food. Hashtag not counting any calories. After that food coma, now it's time to head back on the road. Gonna have a quick nap and let's see what's more in store for us. So we randomly stopped spontaneously to pick some fruits off the tree. Yes, in the middle of the road. And everyone's excited. I am not sure why, but apparently these fruits are very nice. So next stop, we're gonna see a custom tailoring place, and I'm gonna get custom tailoring done. Before that, we're gonna go and choose the material from Manasvi's uncle's shop, and luckily India is the textile hub, so I'm gonna get it from the wholesale place and then get it custom made. It's gonna be a really interesting experience.
प्रेसिंग करेंगे
हाँ थोड़ा लूज
आप इंडियन देखोगे देखो मैं कपड़ा बनाऊंगा ना मुझे मैंने हमारे रीते बनावा जो आप इंडियन लगेंगे वहाँ पे मनस्वी
ये लोग फिटिंग नो हो
मनस्वी हारो करे गुजराती वर्ष आवड़े मजा આવે ઓલો અમે ભૂલ ખાવી
ये लोग फिटिंग करे नो
No clue what's being said, but somehow I'm getting a custom fit. YOLO.
દેશ ને એને આ લોકો છે વિદેશ વાળા તાર જો બધા ખુલતું જ પહેરશે
દિલીપ ભાઈ નું કાપડું શર્ટ નું કમેન્ટ નું કાપી દીજો
બેન હાય હવે આજે તું એ દેન સ્વાવી આ તું મને બપોર
બસ માપ લેતા લેતા કાઈ નહીં બોલવાનું આપણે વાત થઈ ગઈ અગાઉ બાંધી લેવાનું બાંધવું હોય નહીં माफ लेता लेता काहे झगड़ा झगड़ा हम बार बार झगड़ा करते रहते हैं उन्हें सीखो ख्याल है मेरा माइंड का
Simple, hot, strong. The best pick me up before hitting the road again.
ये बनने का मशीन
इसमें बनता है रोज फ्रेशली आप बनाते हो नहीं थैंक यू हेलो बोलो हेलो बोलो हेलो बोलो
हेलो
हाँ बात करो वीडियो वीडियो
This was unlike anything I've seen before. India's love for cows is unmatched.
बनाने बाद में
वहाँ पे लसन नहीं मिलता है हमारा ऑस्ट्रेलिया वाला घना आया हमारे
The best egg maker in Gujarat, approved by Manasvi's dad. Damn, this guy just pumped out so many dishes of egg variety that I've never tried before, but it was so yummy.
इसका भी ले लो ये पानी है
ગોળ કરી દો દેશી છે ને દેશી ટમેટા છે ને એટલે એની સાલ નહીં ઉખડે ગોળ બનાવી દો
મારું બને હીરા તો
ચાચા હમણાં તમે જો આમાં ભરાય ભલે વાંધો નહીં
એવું બધું બહુ નાખોમાં ચીજ ગયા નહીં મજા આવે
તમે ખાવ તો કરાય
ઠીક હવે રિયલ ટેસ્ટ નો આવે જાણું તો
હમણાં તમને ટેસ્ટ
હા તો એવું એમાં નાખીશું
એકમાં કાંડ
મને ચાલે છે કે નહીં
આવે ને ક્યારેક ક્યારેક ખાંડ
એને ખબર જ નહીં આવે
હા
તો અમદાવાદ 10 કિલો આવે
સમજાય ભાઈને નો લેતા હોય
અરે મોટું છે તો સારું નથી આવતું
તે સમજાઈ ગયું
ગાડીયાથી કુંડલા સીધો આમ જાવ અમદાવાદ
તે સમજાઈ ગયું વાયદા ગાડીયા નથી કરવું એમ ને
નહીં પણ ગાડીયાથી તો આવ્યો
એવું છે હા
હું તો બનાવું
ફ્રાય ચીઝ વગરની
હે
ચીઝ વગરની વસ્તુ
તીખું ન બનાવતો એ નહીં તીખું ખાય
એ જ મિલતું
હે અહીંયા મૂકના કાંદા લાવો
Damn, this was so good. This was like a egg with like spinach, and then there was another dish with a bit of cheese on the top. And this drink was amazing. This is the name of the guy's place if you know Gujarati. After a long but amazing day, we're wrapping up at 10 p.m. with Gujarat's favorite street style pav bhaji. Damn, this is so yummy. And the owner just came and mixed it for us because I was eating it the wrong way. He was like, "This is the right way to eat, buddy."
તીખું ના પડી તીખી ના પડી સાહેબ પહેલા કહી ગયા તીખું નહીં એટલે ટેસ્ટ કરો
What a day exploring Gujarat's countryside. Tomorrow, more food, more culture, more from India. Make sure you like, hit the subscribe button, and drop a comment if you enjoy this vlog. Thank you.